Hello and welcome to the TigrePup channel. In this video, I'm showing you how I created this Mardi Gras inspired hair color look. If this topic interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is get the Mardi Gras colors. Okay, so it goes green is for faith, gold is power, and purple is justice. Here is a representation of what those colors look like. So those are the colors that I'm gonna be using. The method that I'm going to be applying this color is a pinwheel hair coloring, where the hair is sectioned into sections, as you can see here, and colors applied alternatively to each section, and it comes out like a big stripy bold look like this. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. Okay, so the hardest part for me was finding the colors, appropriate colors. Here is what the hairs look like before I began. I handmade this wig, so that's why it looks kind of off. But this is the original color here. As you can see, it's a very nice blonde hair color. And here is it. You can see it more so in the sunlight, so you can see pretty much what the base color, or the color we're working with, looks like. Okay, so the first color that I felt would be a perfect purple, which would be the Adore Rich Eggplant. As you can see here, and according to my swatch, I'm going to do the swatches outside so you can see the natural sunlight. It's the perfect deep rich purple that I was trying to go for. Well, at least according to these swatches. So just giving you a view of that so you can take a look and see what you think about that. The next color was very difficult to come across because most colors are like a blue teal green, but this is an actual green. It's a little bit lighter, a lot bit lighter than I would have preferred. As you can see here, it is green. It hasn't any of the blue base in it. I'm assuming a lot of these colors add blue to neutralize the red when people lift their hair with bleaching and whatnot. I don't know, but it was very difficult to find a green. Okay, onto the yellow. I decided to use a professional brand. As you can see here, it says Chroma Silk Vivids from Pravana, and this is the yellow, and this is the packaging that they use in a little metal tube or whatever. Now this is the perfect well, it's actually supposed to be gold. It looks kind of like gold, very yellow, orangey gold color. So that's what that's looking like right here. Okay, so up next I'm gonna show you what it looks like when everything is alternated. This is what it's looking like so far from my swatch. Everything looks good, you know, except the green is not as dark as I would have liked. But we're just going to continue with this video. Okay, so when I was alternating these colors, I know that the purple and the yellow are complementary colors, and complementary colors are... Okay, so these colors on the opposite side of the color wheel, as you can see here, and basically when you combine them together, they cancel each other out. So to avoid this, I tried not to put them too close together, so they won't have the opportunity to mix or combine. At least that's what I was going for. Okay, so right here, again, this is what the color is looking like before, handmade wig. And so the next thing I did, I sectioned off the head into various sections. As you can see here, I zigzagged the partings because I didn't want a nice a straight up bold streak, if that makes any sense. I wanted it all to kind of blend together. Now what I'm doing is, because I dried the hair in order to give it like a haircut, I've dampened the hair with water as I'm working, and generally most of these colors are applied to damp hair. Honestly, if I would have done this on dry hair, I don't think I would have had enough to do the entire head. But anyway, yeah, so this is me applying the purple to the hair, And so we're just checking that out. I'm trying to get as close to the root as possible, even though you can't really see the root because the hair is long. It's still pretty good. So just in case the wind blows or somebody sees a part in there, you're thoroughly covered. So I'm just wiping my hands in between each application because I didn't want to stain the rest of the hair, which is very difficult when doing this because you automatically are going to stain the hair every time you touch it, or if the color or the hair that's colored goes against the hair where you don't want it to be colored. And then I noticed that when I did try to clip the hair out the way, even when I had the aluminum foil, it still transferred to the other colors. So it left colors in the wrong place, if that makes any sense. I don't even know how to explain it properly, but I'm using the comb in order to get it very close to the hair because it's a lace. Okay. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so now we're off to the green. I'm applying it straight from the bottle because honestly, I didn't feel like cleaning any bows or brushes or anything. Honestly, I don't think the brushes would work very well in this particular instance. But anyway, I would have liked this green to be a little bit more deeper. I suppose I could have added black, but then I would have been taking a chance. Honestly, it would have took too much time to do all of that because I was trying to hurry up and churn out this video. Actually, I'm in the process of doing the voiceover right now on Mardi Gras Day. So I'm trying to hurry up and get this video uploaded. But anyway, honestly, I think this would have benefited more if I would have done this twice. Once on the damp hairs I'm doing here, and once on the dry, because honestly, it kept leaving spots and stuff like that, and then transfer from the other shade to the other shade. Oh geez, it was just a mess. But if you don't look very close, you can't really see too much of a difference. Right here, I'm just showing you I'm doing the lace portion, and I'm gently trying to comb it as close to the lace as possible without staining the lace. Okay, so here I am trying to emulsify the color to get an even blend. And yeah, sometimes the water in the color actually dilutes it, so it's really something. But right here I'm trying to make an effort to isolate one section from the other. Okay, so here I am going in with the orange, same thing as I said before. I'm combing it at the root so I won't have any issues with staining the actual lace. And right here I'm just going through each section on the hair that I just recently dampened. And I'm applying the hair color. I've already done the other side, and this is a side that's closer towards the camera so you can actually see what I'm doing. So that's what you see me doing here. Okay, so I think everything is going pretty good, except when I looked very close, I was very disappointed with the hair color. Honestly, I had a different technique in mind, but Bae was like, oh, he liked this one better, so I decided to give it a try. Honestly, I've never done the pinwheel method before today, or this day that I actually did this hair color. So it's definitely a learning process. It's even made more difficult by the fact that it's like on a track or a weave. It's not on the actual head, in my opinion. But we're just gonna push forward and get this done. Okay, so right now we're up to the front sections. As you can see here, I'm applying it to the lace area first, and then I'm going to drag it midway, but not quite to the ends. And I'm going to use a conditioner to kind of like do like an ombre, if you could say, you know, so to make a little bit more of a interest into the hair. So that's what you see me doing here. And honestly, I'm running out of like product too. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And right now I'm on the green, as you can see. Yeah, so I'm just running out of product, but I'm hoping that I can finish this project before I actually ran out of product. But yeah, that's what you see me doing here, trying to get as close to the lace as possible without touching the lace. and work that color through. Right here, I'm in the front. I wanted it to be lighter in the front, so that's why I decided to do the front with the lighter color. But honestly, that wasn't the correct formation, I guess, because it was supposed to go the green, the purple and the yellow were not supposed to be close together. Actually, where the green is, it should have been yellow. And yeah, anyway, so yeah, so I just went with the yellow all over in the front, and as you can see here, I'm just going to do the green and the purple and just ombre it. So that's what you see me doing here. Yeah, so I'm just continuing to try to soften that blend. That's what you see me attempting to do here. And yeah. So just take a look and I'll be back for further commentary. Okay, so here's the processing look. As you can see, I used a clip right there, which was a pretty bad idea because it ended up staying in the other side, but oh geez. Anyway, continuing on here, up next I'm going to show you the final look. Here's what we're looking like right now. I did a Mardi Gras makeup look. That's why you see me having this very avant-garde makeup look. But this is what the hair color is looking like so far. Honestly, I don't think it looks that bad. I kind of like it. I'm just a little disappointed that the transfer occurred. It's something I guess I have to practice on a little bit more. But if you're far away, you really can't really see it. But anyway, let me know what you think about this color in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.